Braga is the capital of a Czech and the largest city in Czech.
in Dixon.
Czech Republic has a population of 10 million people.
Miles from a plan.
Braga has a population of 2 million people.
Learn to listen. Too late to be less a man.